2025 took away something very precious from you or did not get you where you wanted to be in life, and it felt very disappointing, extremely uncertain, then this video is for you. And there is a surprise that I have for you if you watch it till the end. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end, and I'm sure you're gonna resonate with this video. Before we move on, I would like you to quickly subscribe to my channel Pyari Baatein and support me on my mission to inspire, ignite, transform, and change around 1 billion lives. So, as we know, 2025 was the year of snake, and it was a year of releasing your old patterns and exposing you to all the wounds and the pain of the wounds. It was not supposed to be easy. The year was incredibly tough for me, where I also had to give up on something very precious to me. I had to give up on some of my favorite people. I had to give up on my dreams. I had to give up on my older versions and a lot of things. Okay, and I was not sure if I would be able to do that because I was extremely scared of being left alone. I was extremely scared of losing sight of my goal. I was extremely scared of letting my older versions die, because you love yourself, your dreams, the people you really want to hold on to them, but sometimes they're not right for you. Sometimes, when God is not giving you something or is taking something away from you, it only means that you are not meant to be in that energy with the people, with those goals, with the energy that you are surrounded by, because they are not going to go with you in the higher level that you are meant to go. So God, strips all these people, these things and these places away from you, and this is only so that you become lighter and you can expand and go to the next level. So this breakdown phase that comes, okay, when everything is falling apart, it is the phase right before your breakthrough, and I'm not even kidding. I have experienced this firsthand in 2025 after experiencing 8 months of extreme pain, uncertainty, losing sight, having very tough situations, like situations of giving up on my dream, of not willing to live because I felt I didn't have a purpose, and a lot of things. I was feeling very uninspired, very hopeless, a lot of that. Still, I kept inspiring everyone in whatever capacity I could, because this for me is seva towards God, or whatever I know. If my words can inspire someone or bring them back to life and get them working, I think my work is done. So, guys, breakdown is just a cue that your breakthrough is just around the corner. So, it is just the last step before the breakthrough, when everything will fall apart. Everything. It will be extreme. जो कहते हैं ना आंधी तूफान, मतलब भयानक आंधी. So, the darkest moment is just before the dawn, and that is what I realized this year. I have seen darkness going on for the last 3.5 years, never ending nights, extremely dark nights. And I've been questioning myself, is this ever going to end? Will I ever see the light? Will things ever change for my good? Will I ever get to the shore? Like, it was extremely confusing for me. And I know you might be in those places. And if you are and you are able to relate, do share your story in brief with our audience, with me, to let me know what you have surpassed, what challenges you went through, and how you emerged out of it. So, guys, I want to tell you that God doesn't have anything against you. It is just how your life is meant to be, and that is because of your past life karmas, which have come to you as prarabdh. Prarabdh means the good and bad effects of your karmas, okay, which you will have to bear anyway in this life. So, if you're feeling stuck, your goal is not being accomplished, it is because of your past life prarabdh. But what I am here to ensure you is, if you keep working, keep praying, every day putting efforts, be happy, be consistent, live life, and take everything that you're doing as seva, that whatever your goals are, surrender to God and tell God that I'm doing this for you, okay, because you want me to do it, and there might be a bigger purpose to it. Show me, inspire me, ignite me, and I want to do it with you, God. And certainly things will work out for you. Take it from me in written. When it will happen, you can come back to this video and let me know in comments that it did happen. So I want to tell you that please do not feel bad if 2025 was the most difficult year of your life. The good news is that 2026 is here to rebuild you. Yes, brick by brick, everything that you have lost is going to come back to you multiplied. All you have to do is keep doing your karmas. consistent daily efforts, okay, every day. Passion, love, prayers, faith, visualization, journaling, everything, whatever you can do in your capacity, you keep doing it. Keep praying for the doors to open, the paths to become illuminated, and God is there to hold you and take you wherever you are meant to be. Ultimately, you are going to be wherever you're meant to be, wherever God has decided for you to be, because God's decision, God's plans are always the best. So, guys, the good news is that your time has come. The change, the breakthrough that you've been seeking is around the corner, because 2026 is the year of horse. The horse moves you forward in leaps and bounds, and the success and the wisdom and the growth you're going to have in this year is going to be so huge that everything that you went through in 2025 will feel worth it. So guys, if this video inspired you even a bit, do subscribe to my channel and share this video with at least 5 people, and be a part of my journey where I am on a mission to inspire, God's mission to inspire 1 billion people and change their lives. Thank you so much for staying in touch. God bless you.